right, ready? Come on, guys. Early worm gets the worm.
Another worm? Like, are they friends?
This early bird gets the worm.
Okay.
Well, look out, princess. Here comes the new me.
First things first. We need to get you out of those clothes.
Grass. Exactly, grass. It's always greener on the other side. And then you get there, and it's brown and prickly.
The early bird catches the worm. Meaning, the person who takes action first or arrives at a situation earlier has a better chance of success. Example: there's a lot of competition for this position. The early bird will definitely catch the worm, so I need to submit my application as soon as possible.
Hey, you're in my seat.
Sorry, early bird gets the worm.
Early bird gets the worm, huh? Enjoy the seat.
All right, ready? Come on, guys. Early worm gets the worm.
Another worm? Like, are they friends?
This early bird gets the worm.
Okay.
Let's go. Early bird gets worm.
Early bird gets a worm.
The early bird catches the worm.
I'm the early bird. Ready to get that worm.
Morning, Sleepy Poo. You want pancakes?
That sounds great.
Ooh, tough break, champ. I just gave the last one to Sarah Lynn. Early bird gets the worm.
Morning, Pop.
Veronica, you're in early? What time did you get here?
You know what they say about the bird and the worm? Early bird catches the worm?
Carl.
God, the bugle alarm again?
Yep.
First things first. Meaning, you should prioritize the most important tasks before moving on to less important ones. Example: I have a big exam tomorrow, so first things first, I need to finish studying this chapter.
First things first, we gotta start a fire.
With what?
We'll build character by building it ourselves. Well, look out, princess. Here comes the new me.
First things first. We need to get you out of those clothes.
First things first. Where's the staff photographer? Get out there and document everything.
How do I become a manager at Sabre? First things first, thank you for coming to me directly.
First things first, I gotta go see Sheila.
No way, it's too dangerous.
All right, first things first. We need to find out where this little Romeo is at.
I'm saying first things first, we save Ambrose.
And yet here we are. First things first. Who are you?
The grass is always greener on the other side. Meaning, people often tend to believe that other people's situations are better than their own, even if it's not necessarily true. Example: scrolling through social media can make you think the grass is greener on the other side. People often only post their highlights, not their struggles.
Hey.
You know, it's funny, I used to stand in here and wish I was out there. Now I'm out there and I wish I was in here.
Well, the grass is always greener.
Yeah, except there's no grass out there.
Grass. Exactly, grass. It's always greener on the other side. And then you get there, and it's brown and prickly. You see what I'm trying to say?
We all got a wonderful insight into how you really feel.
Yes.
What you have is never good enough. The grass is always greener.
The worst coffee in Southern California.
Believe it or not, working here were the best days of my life.
Grass is always greener.
The grass is always greener on the other side. Always looking for something better. Something out there.
Practice makes perfect. Meaning, the more you do something, the better you become at it. Example: learning a new language can be challenging, but practice makes perfect. Surround yourself with the language and practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing regularly.
First time with Leonard was nothing to write home about.
Really?
Yeah, but you know, over time it got better.
So practice makes perfect?
Well, practice makes better.
How do I do it without them noticing?
You get good at anything. Practice makes perfect.
Which is what exactly?
Need to find out what you're truly capable of. Remember what you said to me the first day we met? Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, this is a little different than chord progressions.
I do know a little bit about psychological medicine.
Well, you're a doctor?
I am, but I don't practice.
Practice makes perfect. Huh.
Practice makes perfect, huh?
Wow, 6 hours on the dot.
Well, practice makes perfect.
Not your best work, but you'll improve. You'll improve. Keep at it. You know what they say, practice makes perfect.
Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, a person's true intentions or feelings are revealed more by their actions than by what they say. Example: he says he loves you, but his actions speak louder than words. Does he actually help you and make time for you?
Actions speak louder than words. Take care of it.
Well, don't worry, sir. I'll have it on your desk first thing in the morning.
I am tired of your promises. I just want this thing fixed now.
I'm on it, sir.
You're basically saying you don't care about me.
What? No, I'm not.
Well, actions speak louder than words. And your actions, sir, are deafening.
I told you, you mean more to me than work.
Well, actions speak louder than words.
I married you.
You did.
Well, you know, you play the game, you take your chances. Sometimes you're just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yeah, you're an expert at that.
I could say the same about you.
Well, actions speak louder than words.
I don't know how to say goodbye.
Actions speak louder than words.
David, some words would be useful here.
Oh, I think actions speak louder than words.